Hi everyone, Dr. Katie Snow here. Today I want to share a little bit about something that's very important to me, the Make America Healthy Again movement, also known as MAHA. They are fighting for real change in our country. If we want to see a difference in our family's health, it's not enough to sit back and hope someone else will do the work. We've got to put our feet on the ground and get involved. So what can we do? One of the easiest and most effective ways to support MAHA is to share their message. Follow their social media pages, like their posts and videos, and comment and share them with your friends and family. Every click, every share, every conversation helps spread awareness and grow the movement. Another powerful way to support MAHA is through gear that sparks conversation. T-shirts, hats, stickers, these aren't just clothing items, they're awareness tools. When people see you wearing them, it creates opportunities to talk about what the movement stands for and why it matters. And then we can't forget about the political side of change. That means reaching out to your state representatives and members of Congress. Let them know that you support RFK Jr. and MAHA goals and that you want to see action on the bills and policies that they're putting forward. When enough voices come together, lawmakers have no choice but to listen. And then don't underestimate the power of personal conversations. Talk to your family, your friends, your coworkers. Share why this movement matters to you. Change always starts with people connecting at the grassroots level, one conversation at a time. If we want to see real change in the policies surrounding health in our country, we can't just hope for it. We have to create it. Share the message, wear the mission, talk to your reps, and have those conversations with the people around you. Movements only succeed when we all get involved. So let's be the change together. I'll put a link to the MAHA website in the description box below, where you can learn more about their goals and purchase gear like the hat and then the t-shirt that I'm wearing. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, and if this inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can spread the word even further. See you next time.